unbox the tablet I got from Amazon. The packaging is good. This is a 7-inch kids tablet. Step away. Ah.
Can I help you?
Look at that. It's color blue. This is for a 2-year-old. Okay.
It's
So cute.
and so small.
So once we figure out how to work all this, I'll show you guys, but we just got it. I'm sure I need to plug it. That's a charger. Yep. Connect that either to the computer or you can plug that on the wall. And it's in there. It's gonna be a little too much work, but you can find it and plug, or and let's see, because I don't think it went in. So
Mom, what he's doing.
King,
Okay, actually just stay down there. I wanted to see the surprise.
anyway, so this is how it is. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on in a little bit. I need to learn all this before and set it up for kids. We got this on Amazon Prime, and the name of it Sim Coco. My little 7-year-old is laughing, but this is for a 2-year-old. You don't want something fancy that they're gonna break.
Hey, yeah, I have this iPad.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.